Sterlo presents you a guide on how to customize your brand logo and theme on the login screen. Why is brand customization important? It enhances and shapes visual identity, making a first impression. It communicates the purpose of your business, and it makes your business unique by grabbing attention. Now we will have a look at changing the logo and image in Sterlo. After logging in with valid credentials, on the home screen, you will find settings in the menu. Under the menu, choose Accounts and select Control Data. Click on Edit. Here, the default set logo can be replaced with the new one by clicking on the Logo Image button. Choose an image of your choice from your storage to upload it. From the actions provided, you can make the necessary customizations. Similarly, you can change and upload the login image too. The login image has been successfully updated. After logging out from Sterlo, you will see the updated changes. As simple as it is with Sterlo. Thank you, and check out for other tutorial guides on Sterlo.